Welcome back. Today we're checking out top 5 welding safety products built for better protection and visibility. Let's get started. Number 1. YESWELDER LYGM800H Welding Helmet. First up is the YESWELDER LYGM800H, featuring a large 3.93 by 3.66 inch viewing area and true color 1/1/1/1 optical clarity. 4 arc sensors help detect the welding arc, while the auto-darkening filter switches quickly between light and dark states. It supports TIG, MIG, MMA, plasma, cutting, and grinding with adjustable shade settings from DIN 5 to 9 and 9 to 13. Solar assistance and a replaceable battery provide convenient power for workshop use. Number 2. YESWELDER LED Work Light Welding Helmet. Next is the YESWELDER Auto-Darkening Helmet with a built-in LED work light. It combines true color viewing with 4 arc sensors and adjustable shade control, while the front LED lights help illuminate your work area when visibility is limited. The helmet uses solar assistance alongside a replaceable lithium battery, and adjustable headgear helps create a more comfortable fit. For welders working in darker workshops or around vehicles and machinery, the integrated lighting can be a particularly useful feature. Number 3. Auto-Darkening Welding Goggles. For a more compact option, these auto-darkening welding goggles are designed for welding applications such as TIG, MIG, MMA, and plasma work. Their 2-sensor system detects the welding arc and automatically darkens the lens, while adjustable shade settings allow you to adapt the goggles to different jobs. The lightweight, portable design can be useful when you want more freedom of movement than a traditional welding helmet. As with any welding PPE, always select protection appropriate for your specific process and follow the manufacturer's instructions. Number 4. Auto-Darkening Welding. Next are auto-darkening welding goggles with a flip-up lens design. They're intended to provide convenient eye protection for welding while allowing the user to lift the outer lens when switching between tasks. The solar-powered auto-darkening system is designed to react to welding arcs, and the clear inner lens provides visibility when the dark filter isn't active. Their compact format makes them convenient for workshop use, but be sure the protection rating and shade range match your particular welding application before use. Number 5. NoCry Premium Safety Face Shield. Finally, the NoCry Premium Safety Face Shield is designed for grinding, cutting, and other workshop tasks where facial protection is important. Its clear visor provides a wide field of view, while the adjustable headgear allows you to customize the fit. The anti-fog and impact-resistant design is intended to improve visibility and protection during demanding jobs, and washable sweatbands add comfort for extended use. Remember, a face shield is supplemental PPE and should be paired with appropriate eye protection when required. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gadget reviews every week.